So today I'm going to talk to you about an amazing remedy that has helped me and my family absolutely so much, and also a friend of mine who had knee surgery. And the reason I'm including this in the first aid stuff for this series is because it also is an amazing help if you fall and hit your head, or have some sort of trauma when you're on the trail and you're wondering how long it's going to be before you can get actual, hospital help. And some of you have probably already heard of this because it is a pretty common thing to see in the stores, to see arnica gel. But you may not know that there's a potentized version of arnica that you take by mouth that is absolutely amazing for concussions and anything having to do with trauma to the head or any other kind of injury. And whenever I walk a trail, I always carry a little bottle of arnica with me. And the person who taught me to be a homeopathic practitioner actually said that when her sons were growing up, they lived in Buffalo, New York, and they skied constantly. They literally lived on a ski mountain. And she always sent a bottle of arnica with them on the trail, and also with her husband. And she tells a story about one night how her husband went on a night ski and he fell down the mountain and hit his head, and he had that in his pocket. And he had the good sense to take it before he tried to get home. And by the time he got home, he actually could see again, which was good. And they continued to dose him with arnica, and there was something else she gave him. And by the next day, he was completely fine. And he had literally rolled head over foot like 500 feet down the side of a mountain. So this stuff is very powerful. You can use it for more than just first aid applications. I take it for my knees. I have arthritis in my knees, or at least I had active arthritis and now it's not. I take arnica and symphytum, both in the 200C together. And as always, you melt them under your tongue. You don't actually swallow them until they're melted. So I hope that helps you the next time you are in a situation where you need something for pain or trauma. But my brother's calling me right now, so I'm gonna go. I'll talk to you later. Bye.